As you know, the former way of categorizing EL students' mastery of English skills, listening, speaking, reading, writing, and comprehension, was based on CELDT scores. With the advent of the Common Core and the new assessment ELPAC, the terminology surrounding English language development standards and proficiency levels has changed. When discussing ELD proficiency levels, it is expected that you will use this new terminology. To help you become more familiar with these changes, we have created a graphic organizer using the technology Creately. Over the next few minutes, we will briefly explain the new ELD proficiency levels. We will start at the beginning. What was formerly known as CELT levels 1 and 2 will now be referred to as emerging. Students may be classified in the emerging category as early emerging or exiting emerging. Students within the emerging level typically progress very quickly, learning to use English for immediate needs as well as beginning to understand academic language. Former CELT level 3 is now classified as expanding. Students may be classified in the expanding category as early expanding or exiting expanding. Students within the expanding level are challenged to increase their academic language in English. They apply their skill set in an increasingly sophisticated manner. Finally, CELT levels 4 and 5 will now be referred to as bridging. Students may be classified as early bridging or exiting bridging. Students within the bridging level continue to learn and apply a range of high-level English language skills. The bridge alluded to is the transition to full engagement in grade-level academic tasks. As a reminder, ELs at all levels of English language proficiency should fully participate in grade-level tasks in all content areas with varying degrees of scaffolding in order to develop content knowledge and academic English. Notice on the ELD standards from the California Department of Education website that the proficiency level continuum begins at early emerging and progresses to exiting emerging. It continues into early expanding and exiting expanding. The continuum ends with early bridging and exiting bridging. In order to better understand these standards and actually see the full standards document, please access the ELD standards and proficiency level descriptors on the CDE website.